Look, Ix has a story for you. Watch what happens when the fastest car doesn't care about others. The fire truck helps everyone. The bulldozer works hard. The monster truck is strong but a little clumsy. The race car speeds off, leaving everyone behind.
Oh no! The monster truck crashed!
But the race car doesn't stop.
The others stop to help their friend. And the race car realizes something.
It turns around and helps too. Because winning means nothing if you're alone.
Ix says, be kind. You can make someone happy.